Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make side pockets. And I'm also gonna make a tiered maxi skirt with it. Let's get started. You need a panel for the waistband. I ironed the fusible inner facing, leaving seam allowance. Fold the band like this and iron it. Those are bags for side pockets. Place the pocket bag to the front panel right sides together. Mark 3 inches and 7 inches and connect them. This is the pocket opening. Cut, leaving a seam allowance. Understitch on the pocket bag area to prevent it from sticking out. Fold and top stitch on the outside of the pocket. Fold the pocket bag in half. Sew the side, bottom, and top ends of the pocket to hold. Sew the other side the same way. Prepare the back panel of the first tier. When cutting the back panel, cut each side 1 inch larger. Then make sure body looks slimmer. Put on the zipper on the left side of the skirt. Don't forget to change to zipper foot. Sew the other side of the skirt and then serge or zigzag. Mark the centers of all panels. Do the loosen stitch. Length button to the max, width button to 0. Mark waistline on the band. 2 inches is for the hook and eye. Gently pull the upper thread for gathers. When you make gathers, avoid pocket parts. It's not pretty when it's wrinkled. Put the waistband over the skirt like a cap and pin it. Sew all the way around the band. From here, repeat the same process. Mark the centers. Sew both sides and serge. Do loosen stitch. Pull the upper thread and match the centers. Sew and serge. Fold it twice and sew. If you fold and iron it in advance, it will be much easier to complete the hem. Attach the hook and eye. Thank you for watching.